Welcome! In today's video, we'll show you how to effectively prevent Discord from accessing your microphone on your Android device. If you're concerned about privacy or just want to limit app permissions, this guide is for you. Let's jump right into it. First, pick up your Android device and go to the settings. This is where you can manage all the important features of your phone. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select Apps. Here, you'll find a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for the Discord icon and tap on it. This will take you to the application-specific settings. Now, find and select Permissions. This is where you can control what access Discord has on your device. Now, locate the microphone option. By tapping here, you can see how Discord interacts with your microphone. Finally, select Don't Allow. This simple step will ensure that Discord cannot access your microphone, helping protect your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully restricted Discord from accessing your microphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.